Guys, it's snowing again. Again. Look, that car's trapped still. See how high the snow is? Like, what the freak? You always want to play. Crazy. Got me tripping on the snow. Let me see the street. This snow blizzard. Oh my goodness. Huh. Oh my gosh. Look, 2 dogs coming. Come. Let's go. Let's go. No. Go. Oh, wait, car. I mean the car. Gotta wait for the dogs to go by. Okay, the dogs have walked by. I can go back to showing you guys the street. Maybe another dog, who knows? Stay. Don't move. God damn. It's snowing again. Stay. And then you got a car just randomly parked in the street. Messed up the plowing, but whatever. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is as much running you gonna do. Cause your jacket still ain't coming. It's been delayed, honey. It's been delayed.